My name is Paul Singh and I'm a solicitor at LHD Lawyers. My role is to help people that have been injured in a motor vehicle accident and ensure that they are equipped with the best information possible so that if they are injured, they know what to do next. A motor vehicle accident claim is compensation available to people that have been injured by a vehicle. A few examples are if you are a passenger in a motor vehicle, you're a driver. Even if you are an innocent bystander, you are eligible to lodge a motor accident claim. So there are a number of injuries that you can sustain in a car accident. A common one is fractures, whiplash, soft tissue injuries. In addition to physical injuries, there are psychological injuries such as PTSD, anxiety and depression that you can develop. Other injuries can include nervous shock. So for example, if a close family member has unfortunately passed away and you have suffered mental harm as a result of what you've heard about, that's potentially something that you can claim compensation for. Other situations can be if you're an innocent bystander and you witness a fatal accident. That's something also that you can claim compensation for. My advice would be to ensure that you seek treatment for your injuries first and foremost. Ensure that you have any details of all the parties involved and to lodge a claim as soon as possible after that. Motor vehicle accidents can have a detrimental impact on people's lives. Much of it depends on the severity of the accident. Some people are bedbound for the remainder of their life, for example, someone that's a quadriplegic. Others are fortunate to bounce back after rehabilitation and can return back to work and activities of daily life. You could be eligible for a motor vehicle accident claim if you have lost income because you cannot work due to being injured in a motor vehicle accident, you require medical treatment, or you require domestic assistance around the home that you can no longer do. So there are a number of heads of damages that you can claim for. There are two parts to a motor vehicle accident claim. The first is a statutory phase, meaning that if you require weekly wages because you cannot work, medical treatment or domestic assistance, you can receive all that. What happens after that phase is that you must satisfy that you have a non-threshold injury and you're not at fault in this accident. If you satisfy both of those requirements, you are eligible to make a common law claim, which compensates you for pain and suffering and past and future economic loss. Part of the statutory claim, you can also seek compensation for all your medical costs, which includes doctor's visits, surgery, any out-of-pocket expenses, simple things like a Panadol receipt, all the way to physiotherapy, hydrotherapy, whatever treatment you require, provided it's reasonable and necessary, the insurance company must pay for that. So LHD operate on a no-win, no-fee basis, meaning that if you don't win, you don't pay. If you do win your case, the insurer is also liable to pay for party costs, which means they make a contribution towards your legal fees. If you were to contact LHD Lawyers, I can assure you that we'll do everything possible to maximise your compensation.